Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy D Wayne and we are Foreign Vlog Invasion!
Yeah, and right now we just wanted to tell you we came all the way to the Philippines just because you guys are so nice. We were very touched by the reaction to our reaction videos, like the Jollibee with the halo.
The Philippines, you people are amazing because you watch our videos.
Yeah, I know.
We've been everywhere like China, Cambodia.
Yeah, Vietnam, Thailand.
The people there,
they just weren't nice.
They weren't because they weren't watching our videos.
They were not giving us any views. But when we made that reaction video and you guys gave us about 793,000 views and counting, bro.
We decided that after that, we want to live here.
Yes.
Yes, this is the place.
You know what? We need to get like a really sick thumbnail. And
we do. Yes.
I think
we need a thumbnail for this vlog.
Like over there.
Okay, let's go. Let's get a thumbnail. Okay, FBI or foreign vlog invasion is not really a thing, okay? Disclaimer lang, we are doing this video to show you how to be a foreign vlogger here in the Philippines.
As a joke.
Yes, okay, joke lang talaga to Kasi napansin namin karamihan sa mga foreign vlogger na pumupunta dito sa Pilipinas, wala silang masyadong alam sa Pilipinong kultura. Nagbablog lang sila dito kasi alam nila malakas ang views sa Pilipinas, di ba? Sa lahat ng mga Asian na bansa, Pilipinas ang isa sa malakas pagdating sa YouTube. Kaya dito sila nagpo-focus. So, marami silang ginagawang clickbait na titles and videos para lang papanoorin ng mga Pilipino.
At pinagtatawanan lang namin yan. Pero sa katuwaan lang.
Yan. Joke lang talaga ha.
Yeah,
Sana walang ma-offend.
Yan nga. Sana wala tayong magiging gira nun.
Mars, mga pre, panoorin natin ang mga clickbait ng mga foreign vloggers sa Pilipinas.
Foreign Vlog Invasion!
Okay, so kapag foreigner ka dito sa Pilipinas and you want to make it big on YouTube, you need to tug on the heartstrings of Filipinos.
Yes.
So rule number 1, in your title and thumbnail, you have to put got emotional or emotional reaction.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm Dwayne.
Yeah, and I'm Jared.
And today we're going to react to a Jollibee commercial.
Oh man, the last Jollibee commercial, I could not stop. I just couldn't.
You were a wreck. We're gonna watch the latest Jollibee commercial.
Oh, just thinking about it almost made me cry. Jollibee is the best thing in the world!
It's better than McDonald's!
Oh, it's so much better than McDonald's!
Okay. It's so beautiful!
Look at it!
Philippines! This is so
emotional!
It's so emotional right now. It's so beautiful. I don't like crying on camera, but I just can't help
myself. It's just, you know, he's not a big crier, I'm not a big crier.
We're here on a boat right now. They're so hospitable here that it just makes me so emotional. I just get so emotional. and Lil G here, he cries a lot when he gets emotional, but it's so touching, you know, how hospitable they are here.
Rule number 2.
Kailangan nyo ilagay sa title and thumbnail nyo na we didn't expect this. We were not expecting this.
This is just insane.
Wow,
man. Like,
I mean,
I can't.
My gosh, this is mind-blowing.
This is
Look
insane. I just want to smash my guitar all over this with love.
Oh my gosh.
Man.
Oh wow, I did not expect this.
Expect this.
Can you see that? Look at that.
Look.
It's a crab.
I cannot believe that this happened. There's a crab. That's not in the ocean.
We are here right now at 100 islands.
Yes.
And wow.
We were not expecting this.
I was not expecting it to
Look
be so
at
beautiful.
that. Look at that.
I was not expecting 100 islands to be here.
Yeah, I mean like 100 islands. It just didn't make sense.
How can you have 100
How could there
islands
be
in one place?
100? At siyempre, kinakailangan sabihin na this shocked us.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is the meaning of this?
I'm so shocked. They let us ride on the back of a motorbike. There's 3 of us. I'm so shocked. This is such a shocking experience. I'm so shocked. Are you shocked?
So crazy.
This is so shocking.
Like it's different.
I've been shocked so many times.
I am very shocked right now, but
Like
you know,
literally
in like
every video.
you have to put in your title that something changed us. This changed us.
This has changed us. This has transformed our perception on life.
Everything about it, man. We were looking through these lenses. Now we're looking through other lenses.
This
What?
really has
Changed
our
my
lives.
life. Changed your life?
It changed mine too.
Wow, that's awesome.
Oh my gosh, how
This
did it
has
change
changed
both our lives?
both of our lives.
Wow.
I don't know.
This has changed us.
Yes.
G,
Yes.
this has changed us.
They're so beautiful.
It's changed
the way we all want to be better.
I want to be a better person
because of this place.
Ulit mo yung sinasabi ko.
This beautiful life.
Ayan po ang parody namin ng mga foreign vlogger na sumisipsip sa mga Pilipino para sa views. The Philippines kasi is a gold mine full of views and subscribers on YouTube. So foreigners know this, so they treat the Philippines like a toy that they can play with in order to get views and subscribers. It's a niche market kasi dito. Doon sa America, saturated na yung market sa YouTube. Sa America kasi kahit wow, look at this, I didn't expect this. Wala silang pake. Ang point lang namin sa video na to ay, kung mahal mo talaga ang Pilipinas, huwag kang magsisipsip. Mag-aral ka ng Tagalog. Mag-aral ka ng Bisaya, Ilocano, Ilonggo, or kahit isang wika ng Pilipinas lamang. Actually, kaya mo yan matutunan within 6 months to 1 year. Kasi pag pa-English ka pa, pinapakita mo na wala kang pakialam sa tunay na kultura ng Pilipino. Kundi, you're forcing your own culture on the people of the Philippines. Like I always say in every video, learn the language, alright? That is key to really connecting with the Filipinos. When you speak a Filipino's language to them, you speak to their heart. When you speak English to them, you're speaking to their mind. Kaya learn Tagalog. Sign up na kayo sa PhilTalk, char. Naging commercial lang pala.
Hi, I'm Greg, and I use PhilTalk.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may PhilTalk ako.
Ako di ay si Dwayne, ug na ako'y PhilTalk.
Magandang PhilTalk kasi para siyang social media para sa Pilipinas. At para rin sa mga dayuhan na gustong matutong mag-Tagalog or mag-Bisaya. It connects Filipinos to people from other countries na interesado sa ating kultura.
PhilTalk is great because now my husband can learn to speak my native language.
Yeah, so if you talk about me, I'll understand. Mag-ingat ka, ha?
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, PhilTalk is awesome.
It's simple. Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
If you sign up with a free account, you get to do things like post your status, add friends, join groups, and really connect with the Filipino people.
And if you sign up for a premium account, you get all of that, plus full access to a Tagalog program and a Visayan learning program.
PhilTalk is a way for foreigners to connect to the Philippines and for Filipinos to connect with foreigners.
PhilTalk.
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 Connect, learn, and discover with PhilTalk.
Sign up to PhilTalk today.
Wait. Let's like straight up sync up that entire thing. So.
Oh my gosh! What is the meaning of this? Wasn't expecting that.
I was not. That was
so
shocking.
unexpected. I mean, this video has. I feel like
I'm still shocked.
This video has changed us.
Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy D Wayne, and we are Foreign Vlog Invasion.
Sorry.
You're beautiful.